If you have a dog that's constantly scratching and biting at their skin, you know how frustrating it can be. But did you know that apple cider vinegar can help alleviate these symptoms? In this video, we'll show you how to make a simple apple cider vinegar solution that can be applied topically to your dog's skin to reduce itching and inflammation. To make the apple cider vinegar solution, you'll need 1 cup of apple cider vinegar, 1 cup of water, a spray bottle. Mix the apple cider vinegar and water in the spray bottle and shake well. Spray the solution onto your dog's itchy skin, avoiding their eyes and mouth. You can also soak a cloth in the solution and apply it directly to the affected area. Apple cider vinegar has many benefits for dogs, including promoting healthy skin and coat, helps remove fleas and nits, and aiding in digestion. To incorporate apple cider vinegar into your dog's diet, you can add a teaspoon to their food or water. Just make sure to introduce it gradually, as some dogs may not like the taste. Consult with your vet if your dog has any medical conditions before using apple cider vinegar. We hope this helps your dog feel more comfortable. If you want more apple cider vinegar information, read the description down below or watch this next video.